Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we practice some bits regarding the lesson Education and Career from the 8th class English content. What is the full form of HC according to the story The Treasure Within? Answer: Hafiz contractor. According to the lesson The Treasure Within, who is Hafiz? Answer: Architecture. Who is Miss Bela Raja according to the lesson The Treasure Within? Answer: Editor of sparse newspaper. What did Hafiz have nightmare about in the lesson The Treasure Within? Answer: Maths exam where he did not know anything. What does Hafiz explain in the lesson The Treasure Within? Answer: His school days. Why, according to Hafiz, did the nightmare disappear? Answer: His psyche must have gotten over it, and he did not have enough time for nightmare. Find out the synonym of the underlined word psyche. Answer: Mind. Find out the synonym of the underlined word pranks. Answer: Practical jokes. In which standard did he lose interest in studies in the lesson The Treasure Within? Answer: Third standard. According to the story The Treasure Within, what is the memory of Hafiz's school days? Answer: Getting 50% in SSC. Find out the antonym of the underlined word strategies. Answer: Methods of winning. As a student, Mr. Hafiz remembered things dash. Answer: By seeing them as a photograph. Hafiz couldn't study in the college because of the following. Answer. He only got 50% of marks. According to the story, The Treasure Within, why did students book his textbooks in advance? Answer. He opened them one day prior to the exam and they were brand new. According to the story, The Treasure Within, who interviewed Hafiz? Answer. Miss Bela Raja. In which standard did the words of his principal influence Hafiz in the lesson The Treasure Within? Answer. 11th standard. How often did Hafiz receive caning in the lesson The Treasure Within? Answer. Once every week. How would Hafiz pass his exam according to the story The Treasure Within? Answer. By copying. In the college for architecture, nobody who had got below dash percent was allowed to enter from the lesson The Treasure Within Part 2. Answer. 80 to 85%. Why did Hafiz not join the army from the lesson The Treasure Within Part 2? Answer. His aunt tore up the admission letter. Find out the synonym of the given word contention. Answer. Angry agreement between people. Identify the correct antonym of the given word spontaneously. Answer. With proper planning. Hafiz was going to an architect's office to learn which of the following? Answer. French. According to the lesson The Treasure Within Part 2, which drawing did Hafiz find defective in the architect's office? Answer. A window detail. What was Mrs. Gupta's advice to Hafiz from the lesson The Treasure Within Part 2? Answer: to become an architect upon growing up. According to the lesson, the treasure within part 2, putting design, construction, psychology, and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is dash. Answer: mathematics. What did Hafiz and his friends compete about from the lesson The Treasure Within Part 2? Answer: designing forts, designing guns, and designing ammunition. What does Mrs. Bela think Hafiz uses while dealing with his clients from the lesson The Treasure Within Part 2? Answer: his natural instincts. What did the principal warn Hafiz about from the lesson The Treasure Within Part 2? Answer: he would not allow him to join if he didn't do good in French. Who gave the informative article They Literally Built Nation? Answer: S.S. Rao. The Literally Built Nation details the following. Answer: different aspects of civil engineering. But things are much more sophisticated these days. Identify the correct synonym of the underlined word. Answer: advanced and complicated in the way they work. Permit requirements are more stringent and more numerous. Identify the correct antonym of the underlined word. Answer: undemanding. Structural engineers are involved in which of the following, according to the story They Literally Built Nation? Answer: design of small residential buildings. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.